Hello friends, welcome to MKD Education. This is Engineer A.C. Sahu, Faculty Expert, Mechanical Engineering. Today we will discuss about the questions and its answers of your chapter 3 Engineering Physics, that is kinematics. So we will start question answer discussion chapter 3, that is your kinematics. So this is the first question. A car is moving with a velocity of 72 km per hour. It is accelerated at 2 meter per second square. Calculate the velocity of the car and distance travelled after 3 seconds. Right? So now come to the solution part. So this is question number 1. Friends, here the car is moving with a velocity of 72 km per hour. That initial velocity u, it is given how much it is? 72 kilometer per hour. So first of all, we need to convert this unit to meter per second. So 72 kilometer per hour is, if you multiply 5 by 18, then it will be converted to meter per second. So finally this is 20 meter per second. 18 for the 72, so 5 into 4, 20 meter per second. And here the acceleration is given, acceleration A, that is your how much? 2 meter per second square. So let's say, and the asking parameter is we have to find velocity of the car, calculate the velocity of the car and distance travelled after 3 seconds. So the time of travel, time t equal to 3 seconds. We need to find 3 seconds ପରେ तार velocity केते हबो. एतिकी velocity रे जाउथिला initially, एतिकी acceleration अछि and 3 seconds ପରେ velocity केते हबो and केते distance travel करथियो सेटा ही हमर requirement. So final velocity v, you know the equation of motion, v equal to u plus at. u plus 80, very simple question. So u जगह केते पुट करिबा ना 20 plus acceleration केते ना 2 into t is 3. So friends, this is 26 meter per second. आउ ताको किलोमीटर पर आवर कन्वर्ट करबा दरकार नै. जदी करिवो again you have to multiply 18 by 5. So this is final velocity and distance travel केते हबो? Distance traveled s equal to, you know, ut plus half t square formula already हमें जानी छे, ut plus half a t square. So u केते ना, u already given 23 second पर, so t equal to 3 plus half a acceleration, that is 2 into t square, that means 3 square. So this is 20 into 3, 60, plus this is 9 into 2, 2 getting cancelled, so 9. So this is 69 meter, right? So again we summarize karuchi. Final velocity 26 meter per second. This is answer 1, and the distance travelled is 69 meter after 3 seconds, right? So now come to the question 2. Question number 2 is the velocity of a body increases at a constant rate from 10 meter per second to 25 meter per second in 6 minutes. That means the body is accelerating. The body is accelerating. So the velocity is increased from 10 meter per second to 25 meter per second, and in 6 minutes we have to find what is the acceleration and distance travelled. So now come to the solution part. You know, here the given values are, what are the given values? Let's say initial velocity we can write u, initial velocity u equal to how much? The speed was 10 meter per second and the velocity is increased to 25 meter per second. So that is your final velocity. Final velocity v equal to 25 meter per second. And what is the time taken for this? 6 minutes. So time t equal to 6 minutes, and 6 minutes is nothing but 6 into 60 seconds. So this is 360 seconds. Right? So we have to find the acceleration and the distance traveled. Acceleration and distance traveled we have to find. So friends, already same equation आमे put करिबा v u a and t को relate करूची v equal to u plus a t. So a equation रू v already given अछि 25, u value already given 10 plus acceleration हमको दरकार a and t केते ना 360 seconds. So 6 minutes पर h means 6 into 60 360 seconds. So into friends हम acceleration value केते पाउचे ना 25 minus 10 15 divided by 360 unit कोन हबो ना मीटर पर second square. So 15 by 360 and what is the value? It is 0.41 meter per second square. Right? So now this is the first part of the solution. Secondly, we have to find the distance traveled. What is the distance traveled? So distance, you know, as equal to again ut plus half t square formula put kari pariba ba v square minus u square by 2a formula put kariba. So s equal to ut plus half t square a t square. So u kete u already given 10 into t is 360 plus 1 by 2 acceleration already we have found 0.41 into 360 square t equal to 360 seconds. So after calculation you will find the distance traveled is 6256. So better you will calculate, this will be 3600 plus 265.8. You just check it with the calculation, the distance you will find in terms of meter. So now come to the next question. A body is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height of 10 meter. Calculate the velocity with which the body was thrown upward and time taken by the body to reach the highest point. So this is the question. Again, if you read carefully the question, then first of all you have to understand what is the question. What is the question? After getting understood of the question, you can easily solve. So the body is thrown vertically upward and rises to a height of 10 meter. Calculate the velocity with which the body was thrown upward and time taken by the body to reach the highest point. So friends, body was thrown vertically upward and rises to a highest point of 10 meter. So height reached. Question number 3 एटी हमर कोन गिवन अछि हाइट रीच्ड गोटे बॉडी जेतबे अपवर्ड मूव करे छी हाईएस्ट पॉइंट को जाई छी हाइट केते रीच कर छी हाइट रीच्ड इक्वल टू अकॉर्डिंग टू द क्वेश्चन दिस इज 10 meter we have to find velocity with which the body was thrown. So the initial velocity we have to find u to be found out, and according to the question the time taken by the body to reach the highest point also we have to find. So here you know as the maximum height reached at that point final velocity v equal to 0, right? And here as the body is moving upward, so a equal to acceleration a equal to minus t, a equal to minus g. So now you know v square equal to u square plus 2as, right? आमे ए फॉर्मूला रो आमे कोन पाइबा जेतु वेलोसिटी फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 इनिशियल वेलोसिटी केते ना u जोटा के हमको दरकार u square and you know highest point केते रीच करची 10, so plus 2 minus g, so minus 9.8 into 10. So here u equal to finally हमें पाउचे केते ना u equal to 14 meter per second. Just after calculating you will find 2 into 10 20 into 9.8 you will find 190.8. So root over 14 meter per second. This is the initial velocity with which the body has been projected upward. Then we have to find, according to the question, we have to find what is the time taken to reach the highest point. So you know, let v equal to u plus at a equation रा में जिबा v रा value 0, u 14 minus g value 9.8 हम नौचे, so t केते हला 14 divided by 9.8 हम जदि g रा value 10 नवा then it will be 1.4, otherwise हम जदि 9.8 नौचे this is 1.428 second. Right, a very simple question. Now come to the next question. A stone is thrown vertically upward with an initial velocity 14 meter per second. We have to find the maximum height reached and the time of descent. So if you compare the previous question with this question, these are the two questions are pretty similar. So I think it will be very clear once you get the questions, then you can easily solve the question. Now come to the question. This is your question number 4. So question number 4, here the body is thrown vertically upward with the velocity u. Initial velocity is given 14 meter per second, right? And maximum height reached हमको पचारिछि height केते reach कला maximum height ता संगे हमको बाहर करबा को पड़िबो time of descent. ऊपर को जाउछि तळ को आसुछि, so ऊपर को गला बळे time of ascent, तळ को आसले time of descent हम बाहर करबा. And again जेतबळे बॉडी ऊपर को जाउछि minus g, तळ को आसले plus g because under gravity move करूछि. So हमको दरकार कोन again ना we have to find the maximum height and also time. So if you put, you know, v square equal to u square plus 2as, हमें v final velocity केते जे थोड़ा highest point जाउची, final velocity again 0, u already given 14 meter per second, so 14 square, and ऊपर को गला बळे a equal to minus g, so minus 2 into 9.8 s highest point उटा में नोचे h नोचे, so h रा वैल्यू बाहर करिबा, h केते बारिबो, and this is 14 square divided by 2 into 9.8 and 19.6. So I think this is 10 meter. If you calculate, you will find this is 196 divided by 19.6. This will be 10 meter. Now come to the second part. Time bar kariba. So if you consider as it is time of descent, of course time of ascent jaha, time of descent se hai. So upward motion consider kari pariba, downward motion bhi consider kari pariba. So downward motion consider kale हमें पाइबा कोन ना s equal to ut plus half t square, s equal to ut plus half at square. So s केते ना 10 meter से मूव करूची and u initial velocity falling बड़े 0, so this is 0 plus half a जगह हम केते पुट करबा ना plus g, that is 9.8 into t square. So एठो हमें t रा वैल्यू बाहर करिबा. After calculation you will find the time of descent equal to, so the time of descent is, you know, 1.428 second. Same answer as for the previous question because data are almost same. So I think you have cleared. Now come to the next question. So the question is, so mathematically the path of projectile is parabola, often the condition of maximum raise. Already mu theory रे cover करिछि. Mathematically हमको show करिया पड़िबो कि y equal to x tan theta minus gx square divided by 2 u square cos square theta theory रे अछि, मु आ detail कहूनी. And condition for maximum range already mu कहिछि theta equal to 45 degree. So से दिन को repeatedly mu कहूनी, already you know. Now come to the next important one, the problematic part. A train starting from rest travels with uniform acceleration and acquires a velocity of 60 km per hour in 2 minutes. Find the acceleration and the distance traveled in this time. Friends, more important kotha कहूची, ए सबुर solution तमर हमर website रे लोड हिच. So you can find, you can take a print of this solution. So एठी हमें वीडियो रे खाली एक्सप्लेन करूछु. So जदि detailed solution दरकार, then you should go to the website and take the print. right? So now the solution, again I am reading the question. This is question number 6. Question number 6. So a train starting from rest, that means initial velocity u equal to 0, starting from rest, travels with uniform acceleration आम मोशन जहाँ भी पढ़े सब uniform acceleration remember, and occurs a velocity 60 km per hour, that means this is the final velocity v equal to 60 km per hour, right? So in 2 minutes, so time taken for this time t equal to 2 minutes. So friends, if final velocity is 60 km per hour, so per minute how much it will be? How much per minute? गोटे hour को 60 km गले गोटे minute को केते जीवो? 60 by 60 means 1 km. 1 km per minute. गोटे minute को 1 km, 60 minutes को 60 km, that means per hour. So time needs 2 minutes for that, and we have to find the acceleration and distance traveled. Acceleration A to be found out and the distance traveled. Distance S to be found out. So very simple question. You know V देइछि, A देइछि, T भी देइछि, acceleration पचारिछि. कोन equation? V equal to U plus A, T constant acceleration अछि. So V equal to U plus A, T formula put करिबा. And V is how much? 1, U 0, A to be found out, T value केते देछि ना 2. So एठु हमें A पाइबा केते ना 1 by 2. So 0.5 important one कोन यूनिट हबो? किलोमीटर मिनिट अछि. So this is kilometer per minute square. जदि मीटर per second square दरकार, you need to convert it. किछि दरकार नै एठी, because हमको accordingly question देछि. So हमें acceleration एक फॉर्मूला बाहर करबा, no problem. And distance travel केते हबो? So the distance, let's say हम एटा s नउछे, एनो v square minus u square divided by 2a फॉर्मूला अछि. And final velocity v केते? 1 minus initial velocity 0 divided by 2 into a केते ना 0.5 केते इजीली बाहर गेला. हम जे मीटर पर सेकंड करे थांदे, very difficult देखतांदा. So a जगह केते पुट करले ना 0.5. So 2 into 0.5 1 by 1 केते हला 1 unit again कोन kilometer, right? So very simple question. Now come to the next question. If a projectile is launched with initial velocity u making an angle of theta with horizontal, find an expression for the maximum height to which it will rise. Friends, again मु आर सॉल्यूशन कहूनी, because already theory रे डिस्कशन हेछि कि maximum height केते हबो. maximum height केते जिवो u square sin square theta divided by 2g. So theory part रे कवर हेछि. You should go to the theory class to know about this question, answer of this question. So now next question ku jiba, right? So a projectile is launched. Oh, this question already we have discussed. Now the last question, show that time of rise equal to time of fall. So this is very important question. You have to show time of rise equal to time of fall. So if you project a body vertically upward, जेतिकी टाइम नबो ऊपर को पहुंचबा पई हाईएस्ट पॉइंट रे पहुंचबा पई एग्जैक्टली सेतिकी टाइम रे से फॉल करबो. ऑल दिस थिंग्स यू शुड नो. हमें जानि छे भी, बट इट नीड टू बी प्रूव्ड मैथमेटिकली हम केम प्रूव करबा. नाउ सी, सपोज दिस इज द ग्राउंड. फिगर को क्लियरली देखो, एंड दिस इज द हाईएस्ट पॉइंट जो पॉइंट से रीच करूची, राइट? सो हम एठी दीटा मोशन दइबा, गोटे हला अपवर्ड मोशन आ गोटे केस हला downward motion, right? So first upward motion, upward s1, second is downward, that is your case 2, right? So friends, on terms tame jani cho, s height, t time, all these things I am not again saying. So initial velocity u, एटी थिला initial velocity u, जो velocity प्रोजेक्ट करा गला हमें फर्स्ट कोटा नउचे केस 1 upward motion, case 1, that is upward motion. So initial velocity 0 and final velocity how much? Final velocity 0. Initial velocity u thila जेतबेले हाईएस्ट पॉइंट रीच कला, हाईएस्ट पोजीशन रीच कला, सेतबेले फाइनल वेलोसिटी 0 होला, राइट. सो व्हाट इज द इक्वेशन? दीटा इक्वेशन रा हम हेल्प नबा अपवर्ड मोशन बेले कोन से इक्वेशन ना नो v इक्वल टू u प्लस at. रिमेंबर लेट्स से t1 हमर टाइम ऑफ राइज, मु अगेन एट लिखुची t1 हला टाइम ऑफ राइज बा टाइम ऑफ ascent हम कर परिबा. अपवर्ड इंप्लाइज v तो 0 पुट करि देले इनिशियल वेलोसिटी u एज कहते माइनस g t1. सो एठु हमें पाइले t1 इक्वल टू u by g. सो दिस इज इक्वेशन 1, राइट. नाउ सेकंड इक्वेशन का में जीवा हमें जानि छे अगेन v स्क्वायर इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर प्लस 2as. रिमेंबर एटा सब जनरल इक्वेशन, स्पेसिफिक इक्वेशन नो. जनरल इक्वेशन हमें हमर कंडीशन हिसाब रे v u a s रा वैल्यू पुट करबा. सो एठी v रा वैल्यू कहते ना 0 0 u ऑलरेडी u. सो a जेतु ऊपर को जाउची माइनस g. सो 2 माइनस g. लेट्स से हाइट केते रीच कला, लेट्स से h हाइट से रीच करची ग्राउंड रो हाईएस्ट पॉइंट पर्यंत डिस्टेंस जोटा h. सो एठु हमें h रो वैल्यू केते पाउचे h इक्वल टू u स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2g. एटा इक्वेशन 2 धरिबा, राइट. सो नाउ हमें अपवर्ड मोशन छाडी दबा, डाउनवर्ड मोशन को कंसीडर करबा, राइट. So now consider downward motion, that is your case 2. So case 2 का में जीवा, case 2 is your downward motion. and downward motion बेले जेमिति initial velocity final velocity 0 थिला upward motion बेले downward motion बेले your initial velocity will be 0, right. So case 2, that is your downward motion. सो सेठी इनिशियल वेलोसिटी 0. सो फ्रेंड्स केते डिस्टेंस ट्रैवल करिवो फॉलिंग बेले एग्जैक्टली h जेति के हाइट जाईची सेति के हाइट आसीबो. सो अगेन s इक्वल टू ut प्लस हाफ t स्क्वायर. ए फार्मूला हमें ऑलरेडी जानि छे, जनरल इक्वेशन इंप्लाइज s जगह केते पुट करबा हाइट h, u केते 0 0 प्लस हाफ g. सपोज एटी t2 नबा, t2 कोन ना टाइम ऑफ फॉल, टाइम ऑफ फॉल हमको शो करिवार अछि t1 इक्वल टू t2, राइट. सो h केते ऑलरेडी हम जानि छे इक्वेशन 2 u स्क्वायर बाय 2g पुट करो एठी u स्क्वायर बाय 2g इक्वल टू दिस इज g t2 स्क्वायर डिवाइडेड बाय 2, राइट. सो नाउ t2 रो वैल्यू केते हो बा t2 स्क्वायर केते है t2 स्क्वायर इक्वल टू t2 स्क्वायर 2 2 getting cancelled. So t2 square equal to u square by g square. आपको ठीक है सिंपलीफाई करिवो, g को तळकु नेबो u square by g square and finally t2 will be nothing but u by g. So already हमें t1 वैल्यू केते पाइतले, t1 वैल्यू भी पाइतले u by g. So एबे t2 पाइले u by g. So now we can ensure that t1 is nothing but equal to t2. That means time of rise equal to